Welcome to Fashion Reflexes.
Fashion meets future. From design to delivery, AI is transforming everything. Imagine AI designing your next outfit, predicting fashion trends before they happen, and customizing styles just for you. This isn't sci-fi. It's fashion in 2025. AI tools like DALL and CLO 3D allow designers to generate concepts in seconds, turning vague ideas into stunning visuals with just a prompt. AI analyzes millions of posts, searches, and shopping patterns to forecast trends. Brands now design collections based on real-time data, not just intuition. From AI-assisted pattern cutting to robot-driven factories, production is faster, more accurate, and sustainable. Fit tech is getting personal. AI-powered virtual try-ons reduce returns and help customers shop with confidence, even from home. AI stylists can now curate entire wardrobes based on your taste, mood, and body shape. Think personal shopper, but smarter and always available. AI helps fashion brands reduce overproduction and minimize waste by accurately predicting demand and optimizing material use. But AI isn't replacing designers, it's empowering them. The magic happens when creativity meets computation. From pixels to fabric, AI is redefining how we create, wear, and think about fashion. If you love fashion and tech, hit that like button and subscribe for more future-forward style content.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and hit the subscribe button.